It's so cute. She's cute.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
Guys, so I'm debating on if I want to take off my cap or not, because it's looking trifling. It's looking trifling, but I just don't feel like it. So I'm gonna try to finagle it to look decent. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna come back. 1 second. Okay, so my makeup is done. I'm gonna just go ahead and grab the wig. She's over there, and I'm gonna grab a blow dryer because of course you guys know I'm gonna do this wig. Okay, you guys, so here she go. Here's the color. It's coming up a little bit more orange on camera, like brassy, but it's not that in person. It's like an actual brown. So it's just probably the lighting. But yeah, so probably this is part 2 of this video, and I'm just gonna install this. So this is HD lace, so it is fragile, okay? So you guys wanna be careful when applying this wig or plucking or anything, but I didn't have to pluck this wig, not whatsoever, because it was already plucked. It's so cute. She's cute. Because I'm gonna apply my wig with this and then my spritz, because I am gonna lay my baby hairs down with this. So you guys know the deal. I am gonna spray my hairline in certain areas, blow dry it down, and then move to the next area, blow dry it down. This is a runny product, so it's not sticky whatsoever. So you are gonna need a blow dryer to lay this down while, you know, using a frontal, or if you was using a closure, it will be fine. Just spray it and leave it, it'll dry on its own. But because it's a frontal and it's 3 different sections, middle and both of the sides, you need something that's gonna hurry up and tack it down. So that's the reason why I have my blow dryer. So I am gonna go ahead and start on my sides and work my way over, and then we're gonna do the baby hair and everything, and then put on my jewelry and look cute. So yeah, let's do that. You guys, I did not realize my camera had died, and I was installing this wig and I cut half of the lace off, so I'm gonna finish this side. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and trace it out. You guys, please be careful about this lace. I accidentally, you know, was a little bit too rough with her, and I kind of like tore it a little bit, but it ain't that bad. So yes, I'm gonna melt that. We're gonna melt that, and then okay, so now I'm gonna just spray my entire hairline with the Red by Kiss, and to lay down these little edges that I have all across my hairline. And I'm gonna cut a little bit off though, because that's a lot of lace. Okay, you guys, you know what? I'm gonna just end the video right here. I think something is wrong with my SD card and it is stopping. And yeah, I don't want a chance that my footage of what I was able to gather gets deleted or anything. So I'm gonna stop the video right here. This is what my wig is looking like. It is a lot of hair. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be this much hair, but it is a lot. Yes, if you are larger than a 22.5, I would not recommend this cap. I would I would contact the seller, and I would ask them if they have a bigger cap, because this cap is very snug, okay? Very, very, very snug. And you don't want to be stretching the lace or pulling it, because this is soft, delicate lace. Other than that, I love this wig. I would want this wig in a longer length, because it is bomb. It actually giving off a natural tease, and I did not put any layers in here. And if I put layers in here, I feel like it would hit a different levels. Like if I hit some layers right here, if I put some layers right here, and just all through it to give it a little bit of like volume and it will hit different. I'm gonna show you guys what the back looks like on me. What you think? But I haven't colored hair in a long time, so I just felt like it was the need for me to come back and, you know, toss some color, some magic color on some hair real quick. And I love exactly how it turned out. If you guys are interested in this unit, then I will leave all the information down below in the description box for you guys, okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Help me reach some more best friends across the world. You feel me? Because everybody need a little wig in their life. All right, and until next time, bye, best friends.